Almost getting ahead of myself. I want to come in and see how this thing's super glued overnight before I come in and glue the next section. Now I looked online and I searched and searched, and I'll be honest, I could not find rubber seals for the 77 Buick at all. So look at that. That's sealed up good. That's gonna be good enough for me. So I'm gonna glue the rest of this up, but I'm gonna glue it in a different spot because I'm gonna start DAing this out. But yeah, so I'm gonna just glue this piece back together, guys. And yeah, that's on there. So the other side is good. I don't have to worry about this side. I'm gonna get this side glued back up, and this seal is gonna be just as good as new, guys. All right, so I'm gonna just glue this. Guess what? I'm gonna just find a spot. Let the 77 Regal do its work. So I'm gonna tape this up and put tape up under here. See if I can get it to stick. Then I'm gonna super glue this. Then I'm gonna now let's see if this other look like all of this need to be glued down. So yeah. So it's a screw that goes through here. But yeah, let me come through. I'm gonna just glue this all down, guys. So I'm gonna just come through with the Gorilla Glue. It's Gorilla Super Glue or Gorilla. No, I don't even say Super Glue. It just say Gorilla Glue. So then I'm gonna tear off me a couple of pieces of tape. I want to push this together. There we go. Then I want to bring that down on there. Then I just want to tape this down in place, guys. All right, I'm gonna leave it there. Make sure I don't hit it when I walk by. And let that glue overnight again. So I'm gonna leave that there. All right. All right, then I'm gonna come in and get these screws started, guys, for this top seal. So I just want to get them started for now. And then I come in and tighten them all down. I wish you could get these seals new, guys, but you can't. So all you can do is do the best you can with what you got to work with. All right, I'm gonna put the seal in here. It's another hole right here, but the rubber is tore. But let me see what I can, if I can just squeeze this, get this to screw through here. Well, both sides. I'm gonna glue the other side. I already glued this one. It was ripped. So see if I can get this to screw through this one. There we go. All right. And then here it just had a plastic it had a plastic clip that holds that side in place. But I'm gonna wait and I'll put that in later, guys. All right, guys, so have you ever wondered how the sunroof works if your sunroof is leaking? Well, if it leaks around where the sun, you know, where the sunroof seals here, it's supposed to run down this channel. So if it's leaking, the sunroof comes up to here, I believe, and shuts. So if it leaks, it's supposed to leak down this rim here and fall into here and then run out. And then it runs here. You got to make sure these ain't clogged. If you get it leaking, you might want to drop this down and just see, are these plugged up, or see if this holes behind your interior trim panel, if the drain holes got holes in them. But supposed to run here, and this a little thing there collects water, and eventually if this fills up, you look, it's a little channel here that water is supposed to build up right in here, and it's sloped where that water is gonna eventually drain down there, guys. So it's no reason your sunroof should be leaking. And you know, as I look at this, so it's got a good design. You know, here, these are just for strength, nothing really to do with the sunroof. If it's leaking in the back, if it's leaking in the back here, that water should eventually seep out and run down this channel. I don't know why they didn't have this sloped a little more, like right back here. That would have been ideal. So if it was leaking in the back, the water would run to this channel. So I don't know why they didn't do this that way. But this is how the inside of your sunroof piece looks here, guys. So right now, you know, so that's just something that I thought you might find interesting, guys. That's how that works. That channel runs all the way around, both sides and back. All right, so I'm gonna come back in now and finish I'm super gluing this stuff, guys.